you have to prime your mind for the no's, right? You have to prime your mind for the no's. The customer is going to say no. And no means maybe to me, and maybe means yes. You cannot let that affect your ability to build rapport. When the customer hits you with a no, you can't get defensive, you can't get timid, you can't get discouraged, because now the whole dynamic of the relationship changed. Your job is to build rapport. It's not their job. Their job is really not to meet you halfway either. I mean, your job is to overcompensate for their lack of willingness to build rapport, because this is your job. Their job is to protect themselves. Their job is to defend themselves. And it's your job to kind of chisel away that wall that they build up to protect themselves from being sold something until they see that there's so much value there that it makes no sense not to do it. So when building rapport, just prime your mind that you're going to get a lot of no's, you're going to get rejection. If it happens early in the process, if it happens early in the conversation, don't let it throw you off your game. Understand that it's just part of the game. This is a game that we're playing. And especially if you've had an interaction with a customer before that started off like really bad, they were just kind of like standoffish, they were really reserved, they didn't have any time for you, and then you ended up making a deal with them, use that example and always remember and hold on to it. Like, hey, I've seen this before. I know how this could end. Play the tape and use that to motivate you when building rapport. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching. And if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.